It's raining cats and dogs, and I don't feel like grocery shopping. So, let's check the freezer to see what we can make for dinner. I will always keep some proteins in here for a rainy day. Perfect! Chicken bones. Even more perfect! Salmon bones. These are amazing ingredients as natural collagen for the skin and body. With this, I'm going to make a warm and soothing salmon congee for dinner. To prepare this delicious congee, start by adding oil to a pan on high heat with a few slices of fresh ginger. This will reduce the fishy taste of the salmon. I will pan fry the salmon until all the sides are golden brown. Salmon bones are quite delicate, so try to keep them together so that you can drop them into the soup in whole pieces to prevent the bones from going everywhere. I will also pan fry the chicken bones at the same time. In your congee pot, add 2 cups of rice. This serves a family of 4. Wash, rinse, and add in 2.5 liters of cold water. You can add more if you'd like for a more watery congee. Set this on high heat on your stovetop. Once that begins to boil, add in a handful of dried scallops. These really enhance the flavor of the congee. I will then gently drop in the salmon bones on top, making sure they don't break apart. Turn the stove to low heat and allow that to boil for 45 minutes or until the rice is soft. Here's 10 minutes in. The water is becoming a beautiful slurry of thickened rice. Be sure to stir the bottom gently to ensure the rice isn't sticking. Here's 20 minutes in. The congee is beginning to form. I'll stir again the bottom, ensuring the salmon stays intact. And here's 40 minutes in. The congee is ready and smelling fragrant. Do you see how there's a beautiful separation of congee to congee water? This is a style of making congee where you don't stir the congee as much. It's actually a Tao style, which my mom often makes. You can choose to eat the thicker rice bottom or the thinner rice soup, which is equally delicious. And don't forget to add salt to taste. I will remove the salmon first and serve as a side dish. You'll still have to be careful of any remaining bones in the congee, but they're usually quite large. Serve, top with your favorite toppings, and enjoy. Happy congee making, and I'll see you next time.